Slope of straight line. The slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This rule is used when we have 2 points lying on the straight line. The first point x1, y1 and the second x2, y2. So the slope is the difference in y coordinates over the difference in the x coordinates. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If it is given the positive angle which the straight line makes with positive direction of x-axis, as if it is angle E, so the slope M equal tan E, tan the angle which the straight line makes with positive direction of x-axis. So the slope has two rules, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 if given 2 points lying on the straight line, or the slope equal tan E, the angle made with positive direction of x-axis. Example, find the slope of a straight line which makes an angle of measure 30 degrees with positive direction to x-axis. Here given the angle with positive direction of x-axis, so we can use the second rule, the slope m equal tan E, m equal tan 30, and by using your calculator, tan 30 equal 1 over root 3. The second example, find the measure of the positive angle that the straight line makes to the positive direction of x-axis if the slope equal 1.4865. Here given the slope and I want the angle. The slope equal tan the angle E, which the straight line makes with positive direction of x-axis. This means tan E equal 1.4865. And as we take in the trigonometry, if I have tan of the angle, to get the angle, so we use the calculator, shift tan the angle, shift tan 1.4865, then we press equal and the comma button. And we get that measure of angle E equal 56 degrees 4 minutes 13 seconds. Now here if the slope is bigger than 0 is a positive value, so the straight line here makes an angle, acute angle with positive direction of x-axis as in the opposite figure. But if the slope is smaller than 0, so the angle that the straight line makes with positive direction of x-axis is an obtuse angle as in the opposite figure. If m equal 0, then The positive angle that the straight line makes with positive direction of x-axis is a zero angle, which means that the straight line L is parallel to x-axis. And here, the slope m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. From the opposite figure, the y coordinates has a constant value which is 3. So y2 equal 3, y1 equal 3. So y2 minus y1 equal 3 minus 3 equals 0. That's why the slope equals 0. Now m is undefined. Here the straight line makes with positive direction of x-axis a right angle. Here L is parallel to y-axis as in the opposite figure. This means that it makes a right angle with positive direction of x-axis. And when we say that the slope m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, undefined means that the denominator equals to 0.